Do you really need to be eating cookies? I'm zoomed in, you're perfect.
No, don't zoom in, it makes the quality go down. Don't zoom in. And turn that off because you don't put his gamer tag all over.
Jake, take us outside. Alex!
You're not even filming.
Yes, I am.
Hey, seriously, do the shit right.
Why would I film you and not what you're doing?
Well, film what I'm doing, but like look through the thing at all times.
They want me to do it.
We can't redo this.
And I'm never putting out the same again unless I have a game or a few more shirts unless I have a game. This is so bad.
Jake, come on.
Don't you forget that on that.
I'm bringing the ketchup out.
You know what? I already know about your bacon.
Cody, come here. Hurry up. Stop. Put it down.
Move away for a second. All right, Emma.
Richard.
Sweetie.
Cody, come on.
Wait, don't you think? You pop that over here, I will fuck you up.
The rat.
Here. Hold it. Hold it.
Explain.
Hold it. I want you to hold it. No, just run. You little bastard.
Don't you dare.
Get in, Jen, with it.
No.
Get in, Jen. Get in, Jen. Get in, Jen.
Enough! Now we're gonna have fun!
Oh my God.
Enough!
Stop, everyone's listening. Everyone is staring at me. Damn, babe. Everyone in the whole damn.
I don't care!
Oh my God, I got this shit all over me.
I'm serious! No!
Oh shit. He's a hot dog. That's what you get. It's all in his ear. Look, it's all over me.
Go get in the shower here, bud. Get in there with the clothes on first.
Look, now she feels bad.
Alex! Get in the shower with the clothes.
Let's get Ryan some.
And then...
He looks
No. Oh.
Go get a pot of water.
That was awesome. No, we gotta get this shit off of me. I'm covered.
I'm doing dinner.
Here, let's go to the bathhouse.
Yeah, he was using me as a shield. Don't feel bad, Jen. That was awesome. That was so cool. Hey, we're camping now.
Yep.
How much are you gonna put on there? Damn. Whoa. Now you know that could go right back up in the bottle.
Yeah, but it's like number 2, so it ain't really.
But we have fire.
All right, get to the corners.
It's surrounded by dead.
Yeah, but
That's why the metal stuff is there.
Get this side of it.
sorry, it's enough.
It's a very high burning fire.
Oh yeah.
Maybe we should have waited until it got a little bit darker.
Wobble all over damn.
But we have to go to that dance.
Who's yelling at you? Am I raising my voice? No. Yeah. Yeah, that's
Can
my
you
chair.
not get close to the fire with the expensive camera?
I'm trying not to.
That's crooked on the tripod. Fix it. Fix it. There you go.
Look, I'm trying to get a good position of the fire and the people. Fire and people.
Now we gotta stay out here.
And we can roast some early marshmallows.
No, we can't.
Who says we can't?
I said we can't.
And why
Mother
not?
said we can't. The hell happened to these?
Alex. You put it under there.
It cost the whole $2.
Run.
That bitch is hot as hell. Shit.
Don't worry, Dad. That's on camera.
What'd you do?
It's hot as hell.
Picked it up and tried putting it back on and it almost fell on him.
And it's hot. Pick that shit up. That damn thing's been simmering. Whatever.
He used to be
Whatever.
a firefighter. So.
Whatever. I'm a firefighter too.
No, you're
I
not.
am.
Do you ever do any calls?
I'm a stay-at-home firefighter.
He was?
Yeah, you put out the fire when we always burn up the pans.
Yep. I saved your ass bunches. Damn, this thing hurts my ass.
Here, put this in the fire. Under.
Can I go?
Oh, well, I'm trying.
Go where? Get it out of my
What did you do?
I stuck my finger.
What did you do?
Okay.
You alright?
No.
Mom has it?
Hi.
Where the hell are you going?
It's a thing.
To a dance.
No, you're not.
Yeah,
No, you're not.
yeah.
No, you're not.
Gonna let him in.
No, you're not. You're 12.
Mom said I'm
12.
Mom said.
You're 12.
And why
You're
you wearing
12.
my shirt and my socks?
Yeah, why you wearing? Because he wants to look cute.
He's trying
I
to be
want to
like
look
me.
good. I don't want to have a freaking Pikachu shirt walking in there.
You know, what's wrong with Pikachu?
Well, it's a teen party. I don't want to be walking in there. Hey, I choose you.
Why not? The girls might be like, oh, he's hot. He gets down with that Pikachu.
Why did they have all that black smoke?
I don't know why it has black smoke. Somebody put some shit in there that don't belong in there. Travis,
Hey, we could put the marshmallow on the hook at the bottom.
did you put that bag in there?
I'm gonna
Yeah,
go
but
grab
it's
a
gonna burn up,
marshmallow.
huh?
We can hook it right on there and you can be fishing.
It don't smell right either. What did you put in there? Seriously, what did you put in
Oh,
there?
we put the plastic bag in there. We put
Anything he gave me.
Yeah.
Told me to put it in the fire.
cardboard,
So
plastic
blame it on
bag.
him.
Stop throwing shit in there.
I tried. Yeah.
You little furry little bastard.
Is the camper unlocked that?
No.
It's not.
I don't know.
I don't think I'll be able to be
Where
a
are my
head
keys
host.
at? I don't know where the keys at.
The mom has it.
I think your mom has the keys.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to be a head host.
I need some socks.
What do you need socks for?
In case he has to dance. Just go barefooted.
Think he has room.
Why would you go barefoot to dance?
Why not?
Even I know. Why not? So you don't embarrass yourself.
Oh. My glutes hurt.
Your glutes?
Yeah.
My glutes?
I'm gonna find your butt.
My little glutes hurt. Alright, say it. Do the outro.
Just leave it here because we'll do it outside like
Come on. Hey, what the hell? Can you please stop?
She's a little
Come on.
timid. Is it up?
Yes.
Don't forget to follow us on everything.
What's everything? You say thank you for watching,
Thank you for
and
watching.
everything's in the description.
Thank you for watching all of our Instagram, Facebook, Twitch. All that's in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Today you're 5.
You never been on a vacation before, did you?
Really?
5-star.
You were supposed to go last.
Ow!
Really?
5-star!
Put that down.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, I'm in the background.